to be fixing my trucks and skateboarding. It's going to be amazing. Yep, so I already got one of my trucks off. They're over there. I'm taking off my trucks because the wiggle, 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 the wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The bushings are gone. So that's why I'm putting on my dad's old ones. Yeah. Put on these demons. I took off my old trucks. Now we're putting on the new trucks. Putting me new trucks on. Oh, putting me new trucks on. Oh. Am I losing it now?
Yeah, other way.
This way?
No, other way.
This
Told
way?
you, yeah, there you go.
Well, this is what happens when your bushings fall apart, break. If you touch it, it breaks. So, it's not like I'm using this anytime soon. I'm gonna put on my old bushes because they're softer than those ones over there. It's really hard because it's supposed to hold my dad. He's like 600 pounds.
What? Oh, dude. Why you gotta burn me?
I'm kidding. He only weighs like 150.
Burned me again.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
Feels like I have a new board. Whoa!
How does it feel?
Feels like I have a new board.
Yeah, good.
Today we're going to the skate park. It'll be lots of fun.
It's okay. Action. Yeah. Oh, is he gonna try it? Is he gonna try it? Should we keep one foot on the front of the board, one foot on the tail?
This?
Yeah, and then stay with the board. Stay with the board. You could do it. There you go. Easy, did it. Phew. Action.
Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a sub and smack that fat like button in the face like a boss. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.
Alright, keep going. Oh, I didn't make the turn. I didn't make the turn. Alright, go. Action.
agree.